What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here. We are do it. So anyway, we are doing some Christmas thing, you know, isn't it? So we have a Jamaican curry beef. So let's check it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Bala.
Yes, Soulfly fam, we're back again. So as we say, we are do some curry beef, some Jamaican curry beef. As you can see, we got our beef in our sink, so we are showing how we season the beef from scratch. Step by step, we are doing this. So, it's a 30 pound of beef. 30 pound of beef, wash already and a drain. So, we got our season, we got our jerk season there, so this is our curry. All purpose. We have a little more jerk season, because you know we are seasoned to taste. And we like with Jamaican flavor, so we are use some jerk season, wet jerk. Not much, just a little we are put to the beef. As we are say this a bulk, we had to cook this, you know. So we are drop a shorter recipe for the people and we are cook small portion. But we are doing a bulk, you know. So this will be a Christmas menu. You know, you have your menu for Christmas, your jerk chicken and your jerk pork. So you can add your curry beef to it. We will show you how Jamaican do our curry beef. So as you can see, we are pouring the season. I see hard purpose season we I use, you know, it have in everything. Onion, garlic and things. So that's why I really like use that season. It would be for instance, cause we Jamaican like blend up with season. So it would be basically the same thing, only thing this would be the powder form of the blend season. So we just rub to incorporate with season in the beef. People might use the stew beef, but I tell you, once you see this curry beef, you now want to try it at home. And it tastes good. Trust me. Not because I made it. Yeah, because I made it. It tastes good. Yeah, it tastes good. So, you can see we are rubbing with season. And how we do this I know. We prep with meat like the day before. So this, I prep like the day before. Put on my season. Put it down. So the season, the meat get to soak all of that nice season. And you know curry, we are use Indian curry, and Indian curry have it its own little flavor. Have its own little kick to it. So after we done season up that, we buck it up, put it in our chiller. Come back in next day and we are put it on. So we are showing you when we are gonna do it. But right now we just a season and put for marinate. So people, on have a Christmas menu already, on just put this, add this on the list. Trust me. You won't regret it. Just add this on the Christmas menu. Because we know what we all do with Christmas dinner. And you can look out for that video there. What we are going to show you. The Soulfly fam Christmas dinner. We are doing Christmas cake and the family them are going to enjoy and thing. So, as you can hear in my video, them is a family man. So, family are the key to everything. You know, as I tell you in my video before, the most important ingredients in cooking is love. So that's where my family come in. So my family here. Yeah man, family we say so. Right now we are start up curry beef. So people, right now we are get with ginger. We use with ginger, with garlic. And we are greater them there. Garlic. So alright. So I don't know about no other chef. You see me cook my curry beef now is that my season my meat 2 times. So when I go burn the curry, when I see when I burn the curry. So I just explain that thing, you know. So when I burn the curry, I like cut up my natural season same way. See, I grate the garlic now. I like cut up my natural season. throw in my pimento, my thyme, my onion and scallion and the pepper. I'm gonna tell you about a little bit we use a lot. Cause it's like we are seasoning the pot. We seasoned the meat yesterday. We are gonna season the curry. And then when the meat reach the finishing, we season it back again. So yeah. So we are the garlic, you know. As me I tell the people, not afraid to comment. Only just make we know if we video them a help out and what we know like to see and think. And remember we channel called Life of a Jamaican Chef. So we just a show now feel with the food Jamaican way. Feel with point of view. Oh we view with food and things. So only just make we know. So now we got our onion now. As I tell you before, I cut up our onion and thing. Now it's a Christmas time. At the season. Christmas are the season of giving. So this are my thing when I give. Oh, to prepare the curry. Or prepare the curry beef. And as you can hear from the first video I drop, I love prepare curry. So curry is it's like I don't know. Curry would have been my thing. Some people say signature dish, signature dish. Anything to do with curry. One of those. You see me all like passion gone and that you know, not curry. So we got our pot. And I get on a pot together you know and we pour a little oil in there. We're gonna heat up the oil. Heat up the oil, we pour curry. We pour curry upon the meat already. But we're gonna pour the curry in the pot. As I'm tell you, we season up the curry. See what we do now? Season up the curry, season up the curry. Burn the garlic and the ginger. Because remember, if you don't burn garlic and ginger and pepper, that curry hurt your belly. Curry are one thing where take long for dissolve. So we pour water, as you can see we pour water. Get it back warm again and put our beef in our pot. And this is our beef. Yeah. It's our curry beef. Alright people. Cut up with season. You know me someone like a lot of onion and carrot and everything they are Irish so curry can't complete without a lot of Irish and a lot of carrot. And that would be like when we finish season up we pot as I tell you we season up pot 2 times. So here you have it. And when we cut up with final season we are putting the way sweet pepper on. Yeah, so we are cut up with carrot and Irish as I told you before. So carrot and Irish play a very important role in any curry dish you have. I remember people eat with them eye before. So pour it in our pot now. So this is how it look. As I say, eye catching. Alright, next season now, natural season, carrot there. Okay, and to check if meat is properly cooked, all you have to do is take out a piece of the meat, cut, and if inside of the meat is not pink, means the meat has been cooked properly. And now this is our finishing product. So, and you know curry is best served with white rice. So you have reached the end of my video. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe until the next video.